wizard.
Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're all having a good day. Hope you're going to have a great day today. God bless you all, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. I know it's been quite some time, probably about a month since I've done a video, but I finally got my schedule figured out, and we're going to start going live Monday through Wednesdays, probably about 8:15 Central Time, U.S. Central Time. So just a little bit before markets open, we'll do a little pre-market analysis, and then go into markets open Monday through Wednesday. I should be able to stick to that pretty easily with Tuesday and Wednesday being my day off. And usually Sunday is not that busy at the casino, so I should be able to stick to this schedule relatively easy. I already have to wake up and take my daughter to school. I'll just come home, hop on the charts, go live, and do some analysis, some trade setups, a couple of trade ideas. I was able to take a trade last night. I'm still down for the month by like $10. I started with 100. And I got like fucking 80 something, maybe 82. Yeah, so I'm down like $18 for the month. I just funded it Tuesday, so last Tuesday. It's been a week. I'm down 18, but you know, I'm gonna turn that around. It's just been a minute. It was a real shitty range for a second there, but I was able to catch me a little long with this money flow coming in last night above this daily. I did close it. I saw weakness this morning when I woke up, so I did. I'm glad I remembered. I was in that trade. But yeah, I'm out of it. Took my daughter to school, and now we are getting a green dot on this 10-minute money flows curving up. We are above the daily. We're trying to get above this previous day. If we can get above blah. It's been a minute. Gotta learn how to talk again, I guess. If we can get above this previous day and claim it as support, I would be looking at the 5-day moving average. Really, all three of these levels between 80 and 98, 95, 80K, 89K, 89.5, and 90K. All three of these levels, but that 5-day moving average, I would definitely, if I do long this, if I do stay awake and I can see a move there to that 5-day, I would definitely be taking most of my profits at this 5-day moving average, maybe even reversing profits into a short at the 5-day moving average. But we could come up very well and hit these, wick up to these. But I'm just guessing this 5-day is going to act as some pretty strong resistance here. With the 1 hour, we have a red dot on the 1 hour. So a bit of conflicting stories here on the 10-minute and the 1 hour. We do have this previous quarter 2 VWAP. If we're not going to hold the daily as support, if we are going to continue to the downside. Which I also wanted to state, I believe we might be entering the bear market. My last two videos, that was like a month ago or whatever, I said it might have been the last hurrah there. It looked like waiting on that monthly. I think that's what we was doing, waiting on that monthly to see if it would tick to the upside, but it did not. You could see it just kept coming down. Bearish divergence 3 times on VWAP, momentum, money flow. It's not looking good, but that's okay, because now we have opportunity ahead. We have great opportunity ahead. If you wasn't able to buy Bitcoin at 20K, 23K, 30K, and sell it at 100K, 120K, that's fine. That's fine, because now we get another opportunity as we enter the depths of a bear market. I'm excited. I'd love to buy Bitcoin around 50K. How awesome would that be? And then sell it for a profit on the cycle. You only got about a year a year of red, right? You're only going to get about a year of red as we lose the quarter two VWAP, as we lose our previous year-to-date VWAP. And we got plenty of spider lines down here, though. Where is that? 31.8. I drew this so long ago. 31.8. Oh, I gotta go back and see what that is. Probably just some support resistance flip there. But just great opportunities for the future. We'll have about a year of red as we come down and then slowly climb back up for the 4-year cycle. But I'm excited. If we're not gonna just blast off and hit 150K, 200K like everybody was talking about, we was freaking down here at somewhere right here, and people were talking about 150K Bitcoin with nothing like if they had MarketCipher, if they just fucking look at the goddamn monthly MarketCipher, they wouldn't be calling for no fucking 150K Bitcoin. But whatever. That's neither here nor there. We still ain't got the green dot on the weekly. I think last time I did a video, it looked like we was about to get a green dot, and she just still hasn't come through. And we can see the curve to the downside. Even if she does pinch a green dot here, the curve to the downside with money flow coming out, signaling the beginning of the depths of the bear market, which I am excited for. Super excited for. Never been so excited for a bear market. But, I got in 4 years ago. I got in going into the bear market. So, that last little hoorah there was, 20... I remember I got in like 3 months before Bitcoin hit 69K. And that wasn't trading or anything. That was just like getting my feet into crypto. So yeah, I was super excited for this. Super excited for more downside, because either way, we should be short in the market or long in the market, and then we can accumulate as price comes down. So it's just an exciting opportunity for the future. For me anyway. But if we're not going to hold the daily, if we are going to keep coming down, we got our moves to the upside here. If we're not going to hold this quarter two VWAP, if we're not going to hold the previous quarter two VWAP, we do have some spider lines. I'm sure there's some Fibonacci somewhere here and in between. But as a VWAP guy, I'm looking for the year to date. If we're not going to hold the quarter two, not saying we can't bing bong around before hitting it, but I would love to try to take along from this previous year to date. And maybe even come back up to our year-to-date at 100K. I mean, I could see it. And since we have lost our year-to-date, we could be in that bearish leapfrog back down to our previous year. I mean, we see it happen all the time on the higher time frames, even on the daily time frames, because that's what we just did. I took me a daily leap last night. And we come up, we hit our daily leap, and that's a big reason why I closed it, because we was already at the daily, and I saw weakness. Like we hit my take profit, went ahead and closed it. So yeah, we get daily leaps, monthly leaps, weekly leaps. If you follow the channel, you know this. And right now we are in the middle of that bearish yearly leapfrog, and that final move being around 78K, 79K. Not saying we can't go lower than that if we are going to enter a bear market. But that's where I'd be looking for some sort of relief. Once we break this 80K zone, people are going to start freaking out. We hit 78K. I'd look for some type of relief bounce around this previous year to date. And it might even be a bullish leapfrog back to the top. You know what I mean? But we'll wait and see. I hope everyone has a great day. We have the schedule set. God bless you all. I'm out.